Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Scrappy Tales Craft. I just got this in from Miss Sabrina, and this is for her new collection. I will be releasing the video as soon as the release happens, so you will be seeing projects using this coming up shortly after that. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in this package. I'm going to start off with the paper pack. This is Butterfly Kisses. And each of her paper packs have got 24 sheets, 12 designs, and 4 of each sheet. So you can always do multiples, or you can use the different papers for different projects. So you don't have to worry about using it and not having it when you need it for another project, right? So we've got some real pretty butterflies and flowers here. Some more flowers and butterflies, and I love this one. This one is real bold, and I think that would be perfect for the front of a card. We've got almost a Joseph's coat looking one, some more flowers and yellows and greens and purples. All of these are so lovely, and this one's got kind of a border on 2 ends, so you could use it for 2 cards, or you could use it for 1. It's entirely up to you, but I'm thinking even sliced down the middle, although a little of this would be over on the other side, would be great for 2 slimline cards, or mini slimlines rather. And again, we're starting over again with those pretty butterflies. So like I said, there are 4 of each design, and she did a great job on those. Next, we have the Spring Birds and Bloom stamp set. This has got a lot of pretty birds and flowers. This one is a large vase. I'm going to call it a vase. I'm not sure, but a vase with flowers in it. We've got a bird over here on a rose branch, another bird down here on a branch, bird over here with a little bird's nest and flowers, and a pretty little birdhouse, and lots of fun sentiments. We've got heartfelt thanks, hello spring, you are so kind, bless this nest, yeah, you make everything better, birds of a feather flock together, thinking of you, birthday wishes, and with deepest sympathy. So you've got basically all of the different kinds of occasions, most of them anyway, covered with just those sentiments. So that is super nice. Then we've got this set, which is the dies to go along with it to make it super easy to be able to cut out all of your images. And we've got this, which is Spread Your Wings, and we've got some beautiful butterflies. These are some really large butterflies here. Let me grab a ruler. So this one, wingspan on this one alone is 4 inches. Looks like that's what it is for the biggest 2 are 4 inches across, and the smaller one here is like right at 3 1/4. So those are some fairly large stamps there, guys. And this one has a lot of fun sentiments too, most of which are for Mother's Day. So we've got I love you, Mom, to the best mom in the world. Thanks for all you do, Grandma. Happy Mother's Day. Spread your wings. With love to my amazing mother-in-law. And that's the first mother-in-law stamp that I've got. You did it. You're going to fly high and spread your wings. So that is super nice. So we've got 2 of them that say spread your wings. One is in a regular font and one is in a scripty font. Then we've got this set. So I'm going to show you the die first, okay? So we've got this real pretty butterfly die and the word hello. It's one of those thin script fonts. I love that kind of font, and then a bubble cut around it. But then we've got the stencils to go with it to make it super easy to color that butterfly up. So awesomeness. And then we've got this little die set that is layered spring birds. So we've got a couple of different birds with different layering pieces to give it some added dimension and color. So that is super nice as well. And then to top it all off, she included in my package a couple of sequin mixes. This one is a yellow, which means it would go with the yellow pages in our paper pack, and it's got some little clay bits. Let me grab one of those out. So we've got little clay bits in the shape of a little flower that are super sweet. We've got some yellow baubles, some yellow actually two different shades of yellow for the baubles. These are the flat back beads, and we've got multiple sizes, and we've got some little crystal baubles in there too to make our shakers sparkle. Okay, so that's the yellow set, and then we've got one that's in some purples. And this set also has some clay bits, but these are little butterfly wings. I think that is super precious. So we've got our butterfly wings, and then we've got different colors. We've got two different shades of purple baubles in there. These are some faceted gems. And so we've got some different sizes of that, small, medium, large, which I love having that on my cards. Definitely gives it a little bit of variety instead of always having the same one. But those are going to be super pretty. And all of the gems in this one just sparkle so much. It'd be great for your shaker cards as well. So that is what I've got in this collection. I will leave links down below for you guys for all of these products so that you can find them easily on the Scrappy Tales website. You guys have a wonderful day. Check out this playlist to see some projects where I'm using Scrappy Tales products, including the ones coming up. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.